This is a package I got all the way from Korea. Korea, guys. I ordered it on the 17th of August. See here, writing from Korea. Whoa, that's cool, man. Screen lens cleaning wipe. Slim Armor Pro, guys. You know one thing I like about buying something from Korea, especially Samsung, because Samsung is made from Korea. You know, it's a brand from Korea, so it's very an honor to have my first fold and my case coming from all the way from Korea. So today's date is 23rd, so 17th to 23rd is like 6 days, almost a week to get this package. Here we go, guys. Oh god. Okay, something you want. Exactly. This is like a pop-out box. This is how it looks like. Yeah, that's how it looks like, guys. Spigen Fold 5G Slim Armor Pro Black. Okay, this is one with the full protection over the hinge. Alright, that's awesome. Okay, we got some stickers. A lot of people talking about the stickers needed for this case because the phone is gonna slip out. But not this one. This is a bit better than compared to the other Spigen cases. Check it out. That's the rear. Okay, this is the front. Oh, you can see some stickers already. I think those are extras, guys. This is extras. It's already given a stickers here. Thank God, because I paid a premium for this case. They should give us a sticker ready standby for us to take it off. Okay, what you guys see? Yeah, the cutouts is nice. You can see the Spigen logo. Nice. This is gonna protect the hinge totally. You can see that it covers here as well. The top also. Check this out. Oh, okay. It's a two-piece. It's a two-piece case. The padding here is thick. Let's look at the case. Oh, it's springy. Spigen Ink, California, made in South Korea, man. Original from South Korea, bro. Freaking awesome. SP1. Damn, sexy. Okay. Superb, man. Okay, there's like two. Is this the back? This is the front. So with the front, at the top, we do have two cutouts. Is it like the speaker? Let's see the bottom, guys. The bottom we have ports. And some, on the top we got microphones. And here must be the speaker. Maybe, I don't know. I don't have the phone with me right now. But it looks like it. It looks like a same size. We do have a microphone maybe. So this rubber. Okay, put it on the table. It's not like rugged all the way. It's still possible to like slide it over. Yep. Okay, about this. It's not as sturdy as you might think. It's just a normal plastic. Like a normal plastic of a case. Nothing special, nothing metal about it. There's no cushioning maybe around, no cushioning at all. The stickers also, there's no cushion, just a plain sticker. You have to peel it off. Just like that, just basic case. I have my code over there. SP760 SP-1. So here is like the AMG of Mercedes. This thing is actually like a soft sponge. This is plastic. See the sound? Is it scratchable? Yes. This matte is easy to scratch of a color. I mean by time, definitely. You might think this is high quality plastic, but it feels like a normal case plastic that can be scratched easily if you being too harsh on it. And there's two-tone colors here. The matte black, that's a bit darker, this is a bit lighter, and this is a bit rubberized. At light, if it looks like a bit shiny, but in real life it's not. No, it's not. And that's about it. That's the case. I mean, there is a elevation protrusion. There's a protrusion right about there, but not too significant and ugly. It feels like streamlined still. I mean, but when you hold this in, there's not much resistance going on here, even this side. If you were to ask me if you put this in any phone, it feels like any other case, you know. It feels like a normal Spigen material case. Not to be so wow about it. This is how big the phone is, and I'm gonna compare to you guys with my pencil case. This is your typical pencil case you get from online, and this is how big it is, guys. PS4 controller, the width extra a bit. PS4 CD case, same height. That's a bit weird. Is the PS4 controller the same height? Oh damn, half the size. I have to put it this way. Ta-da! If you guys are wanting to know how big the fold is, just use your PS4 case and then, you know, imagine yourself holding the phone. So this is the way. So this is the way you guys can imagine holding the Galaxy Fold full screen. A little bit of bezel, but more or less. Dude, this is the same size. What the fish? Am I the first one to discover this, guys? Alright, that's cool. Wait, I saw something, guys. But air cushion technology. Yeah, there is some air cushion technology inside the corners. Only 2 corners, maybe. Yep, 2 corners. This one is gone. Totally gone. Galaxy S8 Plus. Can't fit it. Galaxy S8 Plus is a bit longer. So that's my quick review of the case before I'll be getting my phone soon. So yeah, see you guys in 2 weeks time for the phone.